All right, round two here at Keller Regional Park here in St. Paul. 31st day of May 2024. On a little sprinkly day. You can walk there, you can walk back in if you want, but you can tell we're butted up against Highway 36. I've drove by here many times, like I said in the last video. You can see it from the highway. I'm like, I want to go over here one of these days. I parked in the parking lot before and read the paper one time because I had a job on the other side I had to wait for. I'm like, well, got some turtles over there. You can tell someone was trying to fish. See that bobber there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turtles sitting on that sack of seeds. So there's probably are fish in here. It's 36. But it's not, the traffic's not too bad this week because of Memorial Day weekend, so it's not too bad to ride back home. So rained pretty good this morning. Over here to the lake again over here. Must be a diseased tree. They gotta try to cut that bad boy down without ruining anything. Some sign fell down right there. So I think there's also on the other side, there's another bridge over there, but I don't think I need to go over there. But that goes across over there. It looks like it's a pretty big park, regional. So. Like I said, you can see it from the highway as you come by, so you see where we came from. A lot of algae. Some trash, not too much. So there must be people fishing because I see some bobbers. See a bobber right there. Lots of rocks. Can jump over, I think, and then throw a of course it's got to be tatted, you know. We can't just leave it the way it is. You gotta come over and tag it. They have a boat launch over there. They have bathrooms over here. yeah, it's, you know, anybody can push a wheelchair around in here, and the guy coming toward you on a bike. You can see all kinds of things going on in the lake, so. There's 36 over there, right behind me. So you can see fish. Something going on over there. This is how those weeds are, man. Just moisture up the yin yang. It says it's a cool little park. You can come on over here and do some fishing, walk around with your dogs. They have bathrooms, so you gotta go, right? These suckers are the worst when it comes to getting on a dog or anybody else. These things are the worst. Getting a dog in your fur, those are the worst. But yeah, we are on a beautiful last day of May. Great state of Minnesota. Doing a little venturing around. Yeah, people that spend all their time on their YouTube channels I'd rather go making videos like this, just a straight video instead of constantly. My favorite is Sidetrack Adventure. He does a pretty good job. He just won check him out. He's really good. He just won a week, I think. I watch something. I try to share it on Twitter if I can. I usually do. Watch some of it. So. I think I might do my porta potty rant in there about Donald J. Trump. Go on in there and do a rant. But yeah, it's a nice walk over to here. Easy, smeezy. You can kind of tell you walk around over there, and I don't need to walk all the way around. There's a train trestle I went across a long time ago over there. But good old T-Dock, we have one over there at Shady Oak Lake. Probably are. Yeah, it's all that trash in there. That's too bad. I had their little cleaning towel. I always have one with me too as well. But yeah, come on over here and probably Sunny's. I mean, if they have a boat launch, what does that tell you? That means there's some fish, so. But yeah, you guys. We hope this video find you healthy and wealthy. Miller. But I think I'll do my porta potty rant on Donald J. Trump and guilty of his charges, so. We'll see everybody on the next one. I encourage one person to get out of the house and go do something substantial, get a camera. It's not that tough. You know, go get an Action 4, a GoPro 10. All right, guys. From the Keller Regional Park. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next one.